Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So we all know car problems are on the rise, for sure. And not one manufacturer is immune to it. What used to be solid cars are now kind of slipping in that regard. And Honda is kind of falls in that category, I believe. Because now one of their most popular vehicles is starting to have another engine problem. And this one's brand new. And it's a little unique, and it's due to the design that Honda has implemented. So let me go ahead and share exactly what this all has to do with. So hopefully it can help some of you guys out there. So like I said, another engine problem. Now this one, it's brand new and they just released a service bulletin on it. So it's different than a recall. So a service bulletin, what that basically is they're gonna see if it's one of the affected ones, and then they have a remedy to create a fix for it, whatever the problem is. And since they don't deem it a safety issue, that's why there won't be a recall on this. But here's the service bulletin. I'll put it on the screen here. So you see it affects 2017 to 2021 Honda Civic Type Rs. So that's a pretty big range of vehicles, and especially the Type R, and that's a higher valued vehicle too. So this is a little concerning, and it has to do with the way they designed the vehicle actually. So it brings up here that you could be experiencing a misfire on the number 4 cylinder, and then a code will come up on your dash there. It'll have a air light, and it'll be the DTC P0304, which refers to the misfire in cylinder 4. And what this is caused from, they're saying, is that water can be entering through the hood scoop that they put on the Type Rs. And they said the water goes down inside the number 4 spark plug, and this can corrode the ignition coil, the plug tube, and the spark plug itself, which will lead to a misfire on that cylinder. And if it does misfire, it'll store that code too, so they know that it's part of this service bulletin. And the step that Honda has taken is that they said they redesigned the cylinder head cover for this exact reason, that will divert water away from the number 4 spark plug if water does in fact come through the hood scoop. So they realize that the hood scoop allows some water to come in. Depending on where you live, it could be a lot more. That's why not every vehicle will have this problem, but it has the possibility of it happening. So they designed the head cover now where if it did come through, it'll trickle the water off of there so it won't puddle on the number 4 spark plug hole. And this has a couple things that they do. So if you have a Type R from one of these years, I would definitely take it in, because you just never know if it's raining or you're washing your vehicle and it goes in. You don't want to have to worry about getting a spark plug corroded and then all this stuff happening to it. But it shows that if they find corrosion, then they're going to replace the cylinder head cover, the spark plug, and the ignition coil. And if they find corrosion on the plug tube is excessive, more than 12 millimeters, then they require a photo to be sent in to Honda, so it's all reimbursed through this warranty. But the interesting part is the third corrective action. It says, if no water or corrosion is found, the service bulletin does not apply. So that's a little weird one, because they're saying if you don't have corrosion at that point, then it doesn't pertain to you. But they're admitting that the hood scoop can let water in that will go directly on cylinder 4 spark plug hole. So maybe you didn't drive in the rain, or maybe it hasn't rained a lot in your area, and then all of a sudden it does, then this could definitely be a problem in the future. And then they have the information below too. It tells you if they have to do procedure A or procedure B. Procedure A is being to clean the plug tube, install new number 4 cylinder spark plug and cylinder head cover. And that's rated at 1.4 hours of labor. But then procedure B says replace cylinder head. And that's the one, if it's really severe, they require photos to be sent in, and that's 13.6 hours of labor. So that would be the worst case scenario. So I want to bring it to your attention, because it could be a major problem. Like I said, maybe not now, it's okay. But as you all know, corrosion takes time to develop. So a year or two later, you could be developing this problem. So definitely pay attention to things going forward. If you notice any issues or your car's running kind of rough, and definitely if you get any of these codes, save this, write down the service bulletin number. It's on the top there. It's 25-062, and that refers to all of this information that I just shared with you. And let them know for sure so you can get that taken care of, because that could definitely destroy your engine as well. if it's left unchecked, and then it starts corroding the cylinder itself. So I just found it interesting that they're saying if there's no corrosion found, then they're not going to do anything about it, even though they know the hood scoop could let water in on that cylinder. So that's something to be aware of. And maybe if you wash your car or it's the winter time, pop your hood and check it all out, bring a rag and dry it up a little bit too, and that might be able to prevent some of those issues. So again, let me know in the comment section if you guys have these vehicles, the Type R here, if you've had any engine issues like that, idling rough or misfiring or any problems with that. I'd like to know. So I appreciate it as always. Hope this guys helps you out if you guys have one of these. Until next time, guys, take care.